My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing a cute yellow baby dragon can be a fun and creative activity for kids. Follow these simple steps to create your adorable dragon with wings and a sweet smile using bright and cheerful yellow colors. Start by drawing a rounded shape for the dragon's head. Add a small snout at the front, making sure it curves into a smile. Then, draw a slightly larger oval shape for the dragon's body underneath the head. On each side of the dragon's body, draw two large, curved lines for the wings. Add smaller, overlapping curved lines within the larger ones to create the wings' texture. Make sure the wings are symmetrical on both sides. Draw short, stubby legs with curved lines under the dragon's body. Add small oval shapes at the end of each leg for the feet. For the tail, make it slightly thicker at the base and gradually thinner towards the end, curving it slightly. To make your dragon extra cute, add small rounded shapes or scales all over its body. These can be simple circles or slightly elongated ovals. Don't forget to add a few scales on the wings and tail as well. Give your dragon big, expressive eyes by drawing two large circles. Inside each eye, add smaller circles for the pupils and tiny dots for a gleaming effect. Above the eyes, draw two curved eyebrows to make the dragon look friendly and cute. Now comes the fun part. Color your dragon. Use bright yellow colors to fill in your dragon's body. You can add some lighter shades for highlights and darker shades for depth. Use orange or a lighter shade of yellow for the belly and underparts. For the wings, a gradient of yellow to orange can create a nice effect. Once the color is applied, outline your dragon's features with a fine black marker or pen to make them stand out. Add some rosy cheeks by lightly shading with pink or red near the smile. You can also use a white gel pen to add highlights to the eyes for a sparkling effect. Congratulations! You've successfully drawn a cute yellow baby dragon with wings and a sweet smile. Feel free to personalize it by adding your unique touches or background details. Keep practicing and have fun creating more colorful dragons. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.